Hello my dear students, I am Mrs. Amandeep Kaur from Madhav Rao Scindia Public School. Hope that you all are healthy and safe at your home. Now students, today we will learn about algorithm and flowchart. You know students, a typical programming task can be divided into two phases. First one is problem solving phase and second one is implementation phase. Problem solving phase. Produce an ordered sequence of steps that describe solution of problems, and this sequence of steps is called as algorithm. And the next is implementation phase. Implement the program in some programming language. Now the next one is there are some major steps to solve problems. First, produce a general algorithm called pseudocode. It is an artificial and informal language that helps programmers to develop algorithms. It is very similar to everyday English. Now, here I am giving one simple example of algorithm. Now, we want to write an algorithm to make a tea. Step 1. Firstly, take a pan, add some water into it. Step 2. Then add sugar and tea. Step 3. Add some milk into it. Step 4. Boil it and it is ready to serve. In the end, we come to the conclusion that algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve any problem. Now, the next algorithm is to determine a student's final grade and indicate whether it is pass or fail. The final grade is calculated as the average of 4 marks. Now, in this, we take 4 subject marks as M1, M2, M3 and M4. Now in step 2, we will find the average by adding all the 4 marks, that is M1, M2, M3 and M4, and then divide by 4, that is total subject marks, and put its value in grade. After that, we use the condition that if grade is less than 50, then print fail, else print pass. Now the next one is flowchart. A flowchart is a graphical representation of an algorithm. A flowchart shows the logic of an algorithm. It emphasizes individual steps and their interconnections. Flowchart consists of some symbols also. Here in this slide, the symbols and its purpose are discussed, just as first is oval. It is used for the beginning or end of the program. It is also known as start and stop box. Next one is flow lines. It denotes the direction of logic flow. The next one is parallelogram. It is an input-output box. Next is rectangle. It is an process box. Next one is diamond. It is used to take decisions. Now, in the earlier example, we have discussed the algorithm to determine final grade and indicate whether it is pass or fail. Now, we will discuss its flowchart. Firstly, we use start box, and after that, we use input box to enter the marks, that is M1, M2, M3 and M4. Next is the process box. We calculate its average. After that, we take decision. That is, if grade is less than 50, then print fail. If the grade is greater than 50, then print pass. And at the last, we use the stop box. Now, the next algorithm is write an algorithm and flowchart to convert the length in feet to centimeter. Now in this, first we input the length in feet and then calculate the length in centimeter by multiply the length of feet with 30. After that, we print the length in centimeters. Next one is decision structure. The expression A is greater than B is a logical expression. It describes a condition we want to test. Next one is if then else statements. In this, the syntax of if then else is if condition, then statement 1, else statement 2 and if. That means if your condition is true, then statement 1 is executed, and if your condition is false, then the else part, that is statement 2, is executed. Now the next algorithm is that reads two values, determine the largest value and print the largest value. Now in this, we take two values, or you can say that numbers, that is value 1 and value 2. After that, we apply the condition. If value 1 is greater than value 2, then maximum is value 1, else maximum is value 2. Then print the largest is maximum. In this, we compare both the values and check that if value 1 is greater, then print maximum equals to value 1. If value 2 is greater, then maximum equals to value 2. Thank you, dear children, and stay safe, stay healthy.